So guys, here's my crossbow shotgun. Well, it's the pump action shotgun. I updated it to not actually work like a shotgun. It's just a crossbow. Two arrows, just short range. These two. Shake the round here should be stuck in the chamber. Asana! Don't mind me saying. Wait. Oh, now it flushed in the chamber. Now ready, aim, shoot. Chamber problem. The problem is here. One round. Sometimes the problem with these arrows. One round can be stuck in the chamber if not fixed on properly. Process needs a shaking a down and shaking left and right. Or if the situation gets worse, remove the hood like this. Like that. Snap off the hood. And now here's the inside. To load the round just like this. So the round right in here. But there we go, the rounds now in the chamber. That's all. My sister, so I have to remove all the designs. This is how it looks like with my sister wanting the designs on. Well, if I remove, so no design shot, crossbow shotgun. So so this is with the designs on again. It's cool, right? Well, this is the best. The, the best thing here also, you can actually remove pieces. Want to turn this into short, you have to remove this piece like this. Remove this next. And there we go. Put it right in there. It's big. It's not short enough. No slide, no slide, no slide. Yeah, no slide. and slide the ground out. Oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot. Plus, there's a side part here where technically you can stick both rounds on the side and then remove them just like that. I'm kind of addicted to that.